A hearing today in Idaho will likely have a big impact on a high-profile multiple murder case.
Lawyers representing Bryan Kohberger today argued before a judge about what kind of evidence should be allowed at his trial. He's the man accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students in November of 2022. NBC's Liz Kreutz has more on what's at stake.
Today's hearing likely his attorney's last chance to make their case before the judge after filing a flurry of motions containing more than 1,000 pages of arguments over the last several months. The legal team's sparring over whether to allow text messages sent by the 2 surviving roommates as the alleged murders were happening and this harrowing 911 call.
911 location of your emergency.
Hi, something is happening. Something happened in our house. We don't know what.
That call made the morning of November 13th, 2022, when Ethan Chapin, Xana Kernodle, Madison Mogan, and Kaylee Gonzalez were found fatally stabbed in their home just outside the University of Idaho campus. Kohberger has maintained his innocence since he was charged with the murders after a nationwide manhunt. Ahead of his trial, testimony from one of the surviving roommates also in question. Investigators say she told them she saw a masked man in the house with only his bushy eyebrows visible.
She described seeing someone wearing all black, a mask with only a portion of their face.
Among the other evidence, Kohberger's defense is attempting to exclude Amazon records allegedly showing Kohberger purchased a black balaclava mask prosecutors say is similar to the one the victim's roommate described, and purchases for a K-bar knife and sheath, like the knife sheath found at the murder scene, which prosecutors say had DNA that matches Kohberger's. Meanwhile, Kohberger's lawyers arguing his autism diagnosis should keep prosecutors from seeking the death penalty, while signaling they may be preparing to keep their client off the witness stand. The father of victim Kaylee Gonzalez says the seemingly endless stream of filings and new revelations mean the gruesome murders are never out of mind.
It's like a slow torture where just a little comes out, a little more comes out.
That was Liz Kreutz reporting. The judge today said he would issue a more complete ruling later, but did say prosecutors would have to be careful about how they talk about Kohberger's autism diagnosis. Jury selection in the case expected to start July 30th. The trial would start August 11th. The trial is expected to take nearly 3 months to complete.